Okay guys, what's up? Golden State Warriors versus New York Knicks. Nets. So, let's go. Brooklyn Nets, sorry, Brooklyn Nets. So, ayan. Masyado ako na-excite. Nanalo sweep tayo kanina na naman. Napakalupit. So, ayan. Game info. Warriors, 34 wins, 28 loss, 6 in the West. Nets, 21 wins, 40 loss, 11 on the East. So, when? Thursday, March 6, 2025 at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 8:30 a.m. March 7, 2025 in Manila or here in the Philippines, where Barclays Center in Brooklyn, New York. So, home court advantage ang Brooklyn. So, ayan, ng Nets. So, Warriors, -10. Nets, +10.5. Over and under 224. Masyadong mataas tong over and under na to. Additional pick, under 224. Ayan, meron na kagad tayong pick, under 224. So, health and availabilities, injury, Gary Payton the second probable. Jonathan Kuminga out. So, ang tagal na ni Jonathan Kuminga na naka-sideline. Sana naman gumaling na siya. Kailangan siya ng Warriors. So, health and availability for the Nets, DeAnthony Melton out, Noah Clowney out. So, ayan. So, helpful facts, Golden State Warriors have triumphed in back-to-back games. So, alin ba yung kalaban nila? So, New York, saka, basta dalawa, nalimutan ko yung isa. So, the Nets, 128-120 winner in most recent head-to-head. So, ayan. Yan yung lamang na ng 10 yung Golden State po. Tinalo pa. So, Brooklyn Nets have suffered defeat in their last 5 games. So, 5-game losing streak na yung Brooklyn. The Warriors has 8 wins and 2 losses in the past 10 games. The Nets have won 4 and lost 6 of their last 10 contests. So, ayan. So, may pag-asa pa naman sa play-in tournament yung Brooklyn. Number 11 sila. So, naghahabol sila ngayon. So, ayan. So, for me, Brooklyn Nets plus 10.5. For me, mananalo yung Golden State pero mahirapang i-cover yung plus 10.5. Considering the fact na tinalo naman sila nito nung last head-to-head nila. Pero ngayon mahirapan talaga yung Brooklyn Nets. Yun yung tinalo nila ito nung andun pa si Parrot, si Dennis Schroeder, saka andun pa rin si Ben Simmons. Ngayon, parang hirap na hirap pero malaking tulong si D'Lo doon. So, Nets plus 10.5 tayo. So, kaya ng Nets yan na hindi sila matambakan. They can keep it close, make it close. Ayan. So, ayan, Nets minus 10 point, plus 10.5. So, ayan guys. So, kung nag-enjoy kayo, please hit the subscribe button para updated kayo lagi pag nagpo-post tayo ng mga games. Sabay lang kayo dito kung may pera kayo. Huwag kayo sumabay ng ipapangutang nyo lang yung pangsabay ninyo. So, baka lalo kayo matalo na malulubog kayo. Hindi to sure win, guys. So, for more game info sa prediction, sa message nyo ako. Meron tayong in-play. So, ayan. May GC tayo. Yun lang, guys. Thank you, guys. Peace out and good luck.